Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today we're going to show you how to Photoshop on Android, and I'll guide you through every step to make your images look amazing. So now let's get started. Step 1, grab your phone and open the Play Store, then tap on the search bar and type the name of a Photoshop style app like Pics AI Photo Editor. Once you find it, tap install and wait for the download and installation to complete. This is important because the app is where all your editing will happen. Step 2, open the app after installation and make sure to give all the necessary permissions it asks for, like access to your photos and storage. Then tap on the edit option, choose image and select the photo you want to edit. This is crucial because you need the image ready before you can start any editing. Step 3, once your image is open, use the crop tool to adjust or set the crop mode to focus on the part of the photo you want. After making the adjustment, tap the check mark icon to confirm. This helps to frame your image perfectly. Step 4, go to the effects menu at the bottom and browse through the effects available. Choose one that fits your style, and if you want, you can also use the blur mode to soften backgrounds or certain areas of the photo. Step 5, open the smooth menu, adjust the cursor to get the desired smoothness. Then tap the check mark again. This step helps enhance skin or surfaces, making the image look professional. Step 6, scroll through the bottom toolbar to explore other editing tools like stickers, text, or overlays. When you're happy with your photo, tap the download icon at the top menu, confirm it, and your edited image will automatically save to your gallery. And that's it, you're done. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tutorials.